What's good, superstars? Back with another Disney video. You got Superstar Joe. You got Superstar Robinville. How's it going, Rob?
Pretty good, you?
Oh, man. It's just surprising how much Disney just keeps pushing the envelope and moving the space forward. They are all in on NFT technology. We're going to get into that in today's video. But guys, if you're new here, do not forget, become a superstar. Smash the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell notification so you know whenever we post about some fun stuff like this. Also, become a superstar VIP, $2.99 a month. Hit the join button under the video. Get one of these stars next to your name. Enter into the giveaways at the end of every single month for your chance to win great prizes. Also, follow us on X. Follow us on Instagram. But join the Discord. We have all stuff Web3 in there. I mean, utility. We're talking physical projects, digital projects. Insane. And not only that, the community there is amazing. We're meeting all kinds of new people. Join the Discord and just get some new friends, and then and talk about some stuff that you love, because a lot of people there have very interests as you.
Don't forget, a lot of the people from the projects are actually in the Discord. Like the teams themselves of the projects that we cover are in the Discord. So I really recommend everybody do it. We're about 350 superstars strong right now. Got a really good community in there. Very respectful community as well. Everyone is very friendly. They share their ideas. So make sure you guys join and you'll have a good time.
Very quickly, we're going to go through the news. Yesterday, did a little bit of a critical video on Disney Pinnacle. I mean, we love that project. It's one of our favorites, actually, probably one that we've been spending the most money on recently. But there is a lot of buzz in our Discord chat, so we felt the need to defend the community members that we have there and kind of speak for them, because there's a lot of people who want to hear more from the team. So go check out our Disney Pinnacle Needs to Wake Up video from yesterday. It was a lot of fun to make, and I think the team over there is taking everything in and listening to what people want at the end of the day.
Yeah, we had Alan in our Discord confirm that the team did in fact watch. So they heard us. We told them to wake up, and that, I mean, they can take that any way they want. It's actually a pretty good play on words, because it's the same as activate. Wake up, let us know you're here, and give us some more information and start really ramping things up. And I think they're working on it based on what we saw with NFL all day. Hopefully we will see a marketplace and a global rollout sooner rather than later.
Yeah, I mean, and you spoke about Alan, one of the team members from Dapper in our Discord. Another great team member is Vio Marsala from the McFarlane team there. So we know that they had a big time live stream yesterday. They were talking about a bunch of physical to digital crafting. It was kind of a pretty crazy live stream there. So I mean, if you guys haven't seen that, go check that out. But Vio Marsala, he knows all about the Juju. Apparently, he's talking about it. I mean, Juju it transcends projects. It's in all projects. If you don't know about it, it's that good luck you get by believing in the Juju. And it just seems that all superstars are getting it nowadays.
Yeah, this meme here is showing it as some Juju dust. But no, it's not a dust. It is a spirit. Okay, it's a spirit, and I hope you guys all have good Juju on your next giveaway.
This was something I saw early this morning, actually, before CryptoWise even posted it on Twitter. They posted it on their YouTube as a short, and it's pretty much them doing another sneak peek. So CryptoWise has been going off with the sneak peeks. I'm not going to play the music here, but just showing that their app is very well into development. They got the AR showing you how it works. Showing the UFOs there in 3D, in the little cat house there on the counter, more than one at a time there. Just showing a little bit of a sneak peek. So I mean, really excited whenever CryptoWise is doing these sneak peeks. Really like them.
Well, it's coming. We know they're building. We've spoken to the team almost weekly, so we have a really good understanding of where they want to be and how they're going to get there. And I think that people are still being very critical on the whens, but those are all going to evaporate soon. Though you can only say when for so long, because the way that these guys are moving, and if you even look at the way their sneak peeks, the quality of their sneak peeks, these things are going to be here soon. And by soon, I'm saying this year. All we have official guidance for is marketplace by mid 2024. I see no reason why they will not also roll out games on the app. Version of it, iOS app. These things are all going to come, and slowly but surely, people's whens are going to end. I think probably the biggest one will be marketplace. I don't know why that seems to be the biggest sticking point when we're very excited for the games, but give the marketplace, and then I think you're going to eliminate 90% of the whens, and then after that, it's just about delivering on actual utility, because most people in this space, they're used to getting no utility at this point. Just give them a marketplace and they're happy. They don't even need anything else. Give them any utility on top of that, and boom, it just blows up.
Yeah, and it's just nice to see a little bit of a bird's eye view onto what's being built. So you know what's actually happening. You know it exists. It's always nice to hear from the team. And it kind of goes back to our Disney Pinnacle video where we said we'd love to hear more from the team. What's going on? What are you guys building? What's happening? Not necessarily expecting that we'll get that from Pinnacle, but just something. Let us know.
They're probably working on their actual marketing of it. So they're just taking snips from like when they want to release it. They're just probably working on it, just taking little bits of it and sending it out.
Yep. VV Digital Collectibles was trending like crazy yesterday. The VV fam goes hard. I mean, we always say that is the number one best part of our VV journey is meeting the community, meeting the fam there. And the Twitter fam had a lot of fun with this. It was actually 19th trending overall in the United States yesterday. So everyone was going crazy. 9,500 posts with the words VV Digital Collectibles. So the community doing their best to try and market the product. Gotta love that about the VV fam.
You cannot deny the committed VV fam. They're very, very committed to the project, and 9,500 posts, pretty good job. It just was a flurry of them, flurry of posts all over my feed, just seeing just VV collectibles down the line. So I think definitely a strong community on the VV side is helping just put in the work for the marketing, because it's very hard sometimes if you don't know about the space to find these projects. So the people, all 9,500 posts, are trying to help find some new people to get involved.
Yep. Okay, so speaking about some pretty fun news, some pretty big news, and I think I found the perfect gift for this, by the way. All right. Purina from Flickplay announces that Flickplay is entering into the Warner Brothers Discovery Acme Innovation Accelerator Program. Okay. And one of I guess the meme I found is this little accelerating thing here. So I thought it was a lot of fun. But another massive accelerator program joined for Flickplay, Warner Brothers, Discovery, and Acme Innovation. So they were already in the Disney accelerator, and now we're seeing them in another one, just becoming more and more connected with massive IP and being innovators in the space. So love to see that with Flickplay.
This is one of the things that attracted us to Flickplay in the first place, was that they were able to even get on board the Disney Accelerator program. And we all know Epic Games was on that program at one point. We got like some crazy names. You got Polygon on that, right? Like, you got all kinds of crazy names. And of course, Flickplay was there in 2022. And now they're continuing that over here with I guess it's Warner Bros., right? Mm-hmm. So it's going to be definitely an interesting thing to see when they actually put out the advertisements, because Warner Bros. Is going to do that. They're going to have, just like Disney did, like a video of who their accelerators are, and I think we're going to see some amazing stuff from Flickplay, because they just do a really great job. She could have
picked any picture, and she picked one with DC and Harry Potter. So yeah, I mean, they're not staying away from the big names there.
No,
pretty cool.
Well, they did it with Mickey Mouse though, but they never actually had the license. So this is what's curious. So maybe she's just proving the concept, building relationships, and then circling up on that license at another time.
See what happens, but excited for Flickplay for sure. Nick is an awesome dude over there as well. He had a live stream today, and it was a lot of fun. Elmon X doing a big partnership with the OpenSea, so that's pretty cool as well. They have it's official, it's a confirmed partnership. So if you are into Elmon X, that's pretty big news. That to be tied to that biggest NFT marketplace.
Yeah, I don't know what exactly this partnership is. I haven't looked into it. I saw it was somebody tweeted it, and they were talking about this partnership and what potential opportunities may come. We know Elmon X is big into some serious art, 3D art. So, and OpenSea is the biggest marketplace around. So we'll learn more maybe about what this partnership means, but it's in line with what we want to see with interoperability. That's one of the great things about it. Interoperability is the key.
In line with this video today, if we're going to be talking about it in just a second. Grail Game doing another give another box fig pins. You have a chance to win some super coins. If you do land a super coin, you're going to get Grail guaranteed. So if this is something for you, if you're into Dragon Ball Z, they got Dragon Ball Z pins. This is more of a physical collecting app. You go in there, you could pick a mystery box. If you don't like what you get, you send it back for a little bit of a hedge on your whatever you spent, and then you can try and go for something else. We also have a promo code over there. If you use it when you deposit, use a promo code Superstar 500. You're going to get an extra 500 coins to help you go for whatever you're trying to hit.
Yeah, if you also you could just join the website and you'll get an automatic 250. So we love this project. We just found it for physical collectors. If you're into physical collecting, this is a must check out. It's a must check out. So you guys also join our Discord, because in our Discord, Grail Game, that's their official platform right now to communicate, because they don't have their own yet. So they're using ours. So make sure you join.
Yep. And this is the big news of the day we're going to talk about. By the way, Fro Comey, go check this video. Hilarious. All right. He did a VV commercial. This guy is a great dude. So definitely, please go check out this commercial. Give him some love. And hopefully he does more of them, because that hair, it's looking perfect on you.
Yeah, hilarious. He's known. Remember the videos he used to make in the forest and stuff? So he always does a good job with them. Yeah, always does a great job.
Okay, Rob. Why don't we get right to it? Why don't we talk about the video title here? I'm going to go through this tweet here, and then I know you got a bunch of stuff you want to pull up, but Disney has filed an application called Systems and Methods to Produce a Physical Article that provides admission authorization to an event which correlates to a digital asset from a temporary wallet, aka NFTs. So Disney is doubling, tripling, quadrupling down at this point on blockchain technology. This time, if you look into it, it's more so to do with security with admission passes. So it's looking like they're going to have some kind of wallet that will house a digital asset that will be that access for you into theme parks.
Yeah. Well, when it says the word admission, your mind goes straight to theme parks. It says the word event in that kind of quote. But I mean, there's an article here. If you guys want to check it out, I'll pull it up from coinlive.com talking about Disney aims to protect visitors' happiness against ticket fraud and blockchain solutions. Supposedly ticket fraud's a big deal with the parks. And if you have NFTs in what they used in that patent, a temporary wallet, but maybe it doesn't have to just be a temporary wallet. Maybe you can have, NFTs in a permanent wallet that's yours, and then you'd be able to gate that way. But this might be when you purchase the ticket, they issue a temporary wallet. That temporary wallet has some kind of token in it, like an NFT, could be an image as well. And then that gates you access into the park. And if you think about it, and this is the thing about cryptocurrency and NFTs, and people think scam right away, but they don't understand the underlying technology has so many use cases. Security is one of them, right? It's a solution to the fact that people are getting scammed with their tickets. So that blockchain technology integration is going to help make it a safer way for them to sell tickets. And I mean, they call it enhanced security measures, but we all know that this is like pretty concrete stuff in terms of actually making sure if you want somebody to have a unique wallet, then you give them that NFT and it's not repeatable. However, there is going to be a learning curve, because we all know as well that with your own personal wallets, there's also the risk of fraud that way. So there's going to be a little bit, I think, of a learning curve. Don't know how exactly Disney's going to implement it, but can you imagine if this kind of utility, because ultimately this is NFT utility, right? Can you imagine if this kind of utility came to existing collectibles? If this came to existing collectibles, this is what makes NFTs so great, is that you can actually verify ownership and therefore hopefully provide utility.
I mean, I think the take home here is that Disney's going to be at least trying to foray into making NFT technology mainstream. Now, if the end user will understand that they are utilizing NFTs as they do this, yet to be seen. But the fact that they're going to be integrating them to this kind of scale with this type of wallet that you get to help them understand that your admission ticket is official or whatnot, like that's the important takeaway here. Now, I guess, like you said, this could be the beginning of something, though. Like that's why we're kind of very happy about this, because
Right.
if this is something that succeeds and is easy for them to pull off, or if they can pull it off, they could do other things with this, and they can double down and triple down on it in their parks. Because if this is something that has to do with the parks, then they could be like, okay, now this is for admission tickets, maybe now this is to get access here, maybe this is to get access there, and they can start to do something like that once their community is used to how this stuff works. And Disney is not shy to making their community learn how to do stuff. If you guys have ever been to a Disney park and tried to use their fast passes or their lightning lanes, now they have, like, they change it up all the time, and it's not the simplest thing to do. Like, you have to go on an app, you have to click certain things, you have to go check what you're doing while you're at the park. Everything's happening at once. If you've ever been to a Disney park, you know how crazy it is. But they make you learn their way to make things more efficient. So if this is one thing that will make things more efficient, Disney will make sure that the people who go to these places are going to learn how to use either the technology or some kind of blanket over it that will help shadow the NFT. Now, does that mean that all digital collectibles are going to be amazing because of this? No, it means that if this technology is able to prove ownership, and then if other projects, I guess, are going to allow proof of ownership, then that could be bullish for some stuff if Disney decides to integrate it into their own thing. But they might also only do their own stuff and have it all under this blanket that nobody sees the NFT part, which could happen.
Well, why would they stop? It's reasonable to expect that if they're going to use NFT technology for their tickets, what else are they going to use it for? They're probably not going to just stop at tickets. We know there's incredible use cases within the park. Can you imagine, because you have a certain NFT, you will be able to experience unique experiences that are only available in the park? We follow Disney Pinnacle. We know that the parks are filled with pin collectors. There's a massive pin shop. People meet up at the parks and they trade. That would be a perfect example of NFT utility, where Disney Pinnacle would work in tandem with the parks and the physical pin side. And by working together, you would get unique utility because you own these NFTs through Disney Pinnacle. That's a little bit different because we don't actually have our own wallets on that one. But I can see some pretty cool things coming from there. And then we also could look at other projects like Cryptoys, for example, where you have amazing 3D digital collectibles from Disney. Maybe those collectibles would someday be able to integrate with something in the parks. I think that's a little bit potentially of a stretch because we don't actually know yet what Disney's thinking on the NFT side and how they want to integrate it. But this is starting to give us some insight. Well, look, against fraud, let's get NFTs involved. We'll see on the entertainment side what else they can do. And also the Vision Pro. Vision Pro is another thing that we didn't even talk about yet. The parks are probably going to be all over that AR experiences. I think these parks are going to transform with AR experiences that we probably have never even imagined. Right now, they do a good job doing it with physical stuff, but I believe that one day we're going to walk into a Disney park and have some kind of glasses as part of the rides. And you can augment the ride to make it incredible. Not sure, again, how NFTs are going to be involved in there, but we know the way things work with gating and ownership. There might be some kind of special utility that could be offered. And it may not be a company that exists right now. Disney might just offer their own, and you have to go buy it. And then on that ride, maybe you can see certain things that other people can't because you have that, you purchase that NFT and it connects to your glasses or something, right? So anyways, this is just another thought. I don't know, Joel, if you have anything else to add to that.
Yeah, I mean, no, that's a great idea. I mean, right now, I was just thinking, like, all the rides that have, like, 3D glasses, imagine now they become AR glasses and you start to get even more into that ride. I mean, Disney does such a great job immersing you. I'm not sure that will mean that collectibles and stuff will be brought into that, but I mean, for those experiences, they might be able to do stuff with the Vision Pro. But I wanted to say something because there's a lot of talk about these NFT patents that we've seen Disney doing, wallet integration, evolution integration, whatever they call them, the NFTs that can evolve, all this stuff. And I think we have to speculate here because we do know that there's a bunch of projects that have the Disney license, but there's only one project that has a Disney platform, and that's Disney Pinnacle, okay? So to me, this one here could be the sleeping giant. It could be that Disney Pinnacle is integrated into some way into some kind of theme park / Disney Plus / whatever it is, and this could be the linchpin. I mean, if they're doing all of this stuff with NFTs and they also have been super duper quiet on Disney Pinnacle, to me it just makes too much sense that pins are such a big part of the theme parks. And like, imagine like you got a certain pin that would be your admission pass, like, or imagine like, my mind just goes places, and the reason it goes places with Pinnacle is because that's Disney's platform. Disney to launch NFT platform with Dapper Labs. It's like their name is on the platform. It's not just the collectibles inside of it. So I don't know. I'm excited to see what this project brings, especially in the next year or two here, because we've seen the timelines on all day in our video yesterday. Yeah, I mean, I'm super duper excited, and I think that Disney doubling and tripling down on NFT technology will only be good things for the space in general.
Yeah, so let us know your thoughts below, guys. Let us know in the comments below. What do you think about Disney's new patent where they're going to allow admissions through temporary wallets? What do you guys think that means for the parks? What do you guys think that means for Disney overall? And what do you think that means for the NFT space overall? We want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below. If you haven't already, don't forget, become a superstar, smash the subscribe button, join the superstar fam, and hit that bell notification button to get every single video every single day. We do not miss. We're here for you. Also, to our VIPs, $2.99 a month. Star beside your name, Master Spreadsheets, giveaways. Guys, thank you so much. Take care, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Love you. Bye.